Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester, and today I'm here to give you an update on Stellar à toi. This is claimed my altcoin of the day, and there's a couple of good reasons for this. As you can see here, we're going to start off here on the daily. As you can see from the March Black Swan crash event coming through there, we've got a humongous trend line in terms of level of support coming through there. You can see we have respect to that even through the May, coming through to that July low that we did see coming through there. It is a massive level of support that we have seen actually play out continuously. Now we have actually seen that actually bounce off again coming through in September. Really interesting facts coming through there, guys, and this is why it claimed my altcoin of the day today, just because we are looking at some sort of breakout scenario coming through there. Apologies for my dog barking. Now, as you can see, guys, we do have a massive level of resistance coming through from the all-time highs there for Stellar. Yeah, around all-time highs there for Stellar coming through there, and this is obviously quite recently in May, obviously after the whole humongous bull run playing out there, and the all-time highs coming through there for Stellar sat at around 79 80 cents there. Pretty crazy stuff. We'll say 80 for simplicity's sake there. You can see the resistance coming down from this trend line. Pretty strong stuff, I must say, grinding us all the way down there. But hey, hello, we have actually broken that to the upside, so that does mean we are looking at some sort of measure move to the upside there. We could be looking at something along the lines of this, guys. I know, very, very ambitious, very big targets, but that's why we stagger our take profits all the way up, and basically we plan for every sort of reversal in terms of chart patterns coming through there. So if we are going to have any sort of reversal, we're taking profit all the way up in terms of a position like this, and that way we're basically minimizing stop losses as well, because once we hit our first take profit, we move our stop loss to our entry point, right? And then we get a stop at our entry, but we've already taken profit all the way up. So yeah, as you can see here, guys, 67.64% in terms of a massive breakout scenario coming through there for Stellar for the future, if this uptrend is going to continue, if we are going to actually start invalidating some of these lower highs coming down from the previous all-time high there. But to be honest, we are looking bullish since we did invalidate the most recent lower high coming through there. The most recent lower high coming through there in August, coming through from this nice pump. Unfortunately, we did get rejected from the lower high after the all-time high actually got set. So yeah, this is definitely a massive resistance point that we do need to take into consideration for the future, especially for some sort of long position looking like so there. We're going to be looking for some sort of rejection point coming through there. So that's why we definitely stagger our take profits all the way up. Let's move down to the 4-hourly time frame here. Just because there is a breakout scenario that I do want to talk about here in terms of a bit of a more of a micro breakout, right? Not more of a macro one, a bit more of a micro one. As you can see, guys, we've got an uptrend coming through here, and also a nice parallel channel to the downside. A nice falling parallel channel to the downside after that uptrend, right? And that obviously means bull flag scenario, continuation, bullish pattern, right? So what we are looking for here, we're looking for some sort of breakout scenario in terms of a long position here. We're bouncing off the 55 moving average very well, actually, and also holding a lovely level of support on this 34 cents there as well. So yeah, if we can get a nice breakout from this bull flag sort of pattern there, guys, obviously speculatively speaking of where we're going to break out there, it's going to be looking around a 7% gain there for Stellar, so really not too bad. We do have the volume weighted ATR band coming up as well, and obviously, guys, you can see the resistance that we are finding from this zone. Hopefully that can basically steep up, and basically we can find a lovely take profit point at the top side of that. But what I would be saying here is we're going to wait to be clearing this previous lower high in terms of the micro scale here. That's going to be around 35 there. If we can clear that, that's going to be pretty good indeed, and that's basically going to be the activation of that long position. Hair in my mouth. From there, the next take profit point that we're going to be looking for is probably going to be around this horizontal, around 36 cents, around 36 cents and 76 there. And then the final take profit is going to be at the completion of the measure move, or if we hit the volume weighted ATR band before that, take profit there as well, guys. And this is why we stagger our take profits all the way up, because we're basically planning for any sort of reversal chart pattern like we have seen on the volume weighted ATR band here. If we basically plan for that, then we're going to get stopped out. Yes, we are, but we've already, what we would have done, we would have moved our stop loss to our entry point, right? So yeah, it's basically going to be a positive stop out at the end of the day. So yeah, that's definitely something to be looking out for the day, and also something to be looking out for on the macro scale on the daily there. But yeah, that's going to be your 4.5 minute update there for Stellar. But yeah, for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.